Well, today in this video I'll be reviewing some of the products of Sugar Cosmetics, and I'll be literally using these products, well, all of the products that I have in here. And how I got this look is a mystery, because it is not just the sugar products I'm using something more, something funny, something that you need to know. It is a beauty hack and you can use it to your advantage too. So do not skip any part of the video, because I'm going to show you exactly what I did to my face. And I need to tell you one more thing, that this is a gift from a very special friend of mine, and I love receiving gifts full of makeup. I love any kind of gift. Anyway, without any further delay, let's get into the video. I've washed my face and I have nothing on my face right now, like not even a moisturizer or nothing. And I know it looks dull because maybe I've not been sleeping very well. So, and I don't know if you can see these spots which I made myself. They're temporary, they'll go in a month, but I can't tolerate them anymore. I want them to be gone and I want my flawless skin back. Anyway, let's unchain this bag. I've already seen what's inside it, but I've never tried any of these, so let's use them. The first thing that I got is Focus. My phone doesn't focus, so I'm just gonna read it out. It's an illuminating moisturizer. That's it. So I'm going to apply it on my face. I want more. I want hair clip. Give me a second. What is this? I did not clip my hair well. Can you see this? My skin is already glowing. This moisturizer has a shimmery kind of thing, and you know I love anything shiny and shimmery and glittery. Like this top. I brought this top from my hostel. I went to my hostel a few days ago and I brought all my clothes, all my favorite clothes. This is one of my favorites because this is, you know, shiny. And look at my nails. My nails are also shiny today. Everything is shiny. I love this moisturizer. I am going to use it very often. The next thing I have is a compact. It has SPF 15 in it. That's nice. But before applying this compact, I'm just going to conceal my spots. I want to be spotless and flawless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this palette right here, Mars Highlighter and Contour. It works as a concealer on my skin and it has helped me 100 times to, you know, conceal my spots which I make myself. So I'm just going to apply it on my spots just with a finger. I am going to use this shade right here. It matches my skin. Take some of it and oh god, am I sweating? I'm just going to apply it on my spots just like that, and I'm just going to dab it with my fingertip. Apply on all the spots first. Oh my god, I have so many spots. Why do I keep doing this? I need to stop it. I'm feeling hot. An air conditioner. Oh my god. So I'm done with the concealer. My spots are totally concealed. Before getting into the compactor, I just want to tell you that people who are struggling with dark spots or any kind of spots, you know, I highly recommend this palette right here. It's Mars Highlighter and Contour palette, and it works as a concealer. You know, I have used this so many times, and you know, nobody can tell you that you have spots. It blends in well with the skin, and it is quite available in the local store and shopping apps. It's super affordable. Anybody can buy this. I highly recommend it. Going back to Sugar Cosmetics, I'm not going to apply any foundation because this concealer works as a foundation and concealer. Love this. So I'm not going to apply any foundation, and I'm just, oh god, this is so hard. I cannot open this. Yeah, from the both sides. So this is a compact and it has SPF 15. Like, oh, it has a beautiful mirror in it. Like, okay, what is this? It smells like vanilla ice cream. And below this is a spongy kind of a blender. I'll first contour my nose, then I'll get back to compact. I'll contour my nose with the same Mars highlighter and contour. I'm going to apply this darker shade right here. You can use brush instead of finger, but I love using my own finger because I can blend it very well with my own finger rather than my brushes. So I love contouring with my own finger. I've contoured my nose, and for my face I'm not going to contour with this palette because it has a creamy texture. I don't want a creamy texture right over my concealer, so I'm going to use another method, and it is a hack that I want to show you. Keep watching. Now I'm using the compact all over my face. I love the compact because it gives a soft finish, which is totally great on my skin. And for the lips, I have this crayon lipstick right here. It's written matte as hell. I always start from the outer line of my upper lip, then get to the bottom line of my lower lip. Done with my lipstick. I love the color, but I don't think this is totally matte because I feel like it's semi matte, which is actually good. It's going to work. And what I have, oh, can you guess what this is? An engagement ring. It's a sharpener. What I love about this sharpener is this: it has two blades in it, one for thin eye pencils or anything. I think lipstick has got it. It has this little stick in it. This stick is for cleaning all the stuff that gets into it. Totally worth it. The last thing that I have inside this bag is a hand rub. But you know what I don't like about this is just the cap. I hate it when I have to open it. It just takes too much time. I just love when it has the Tic Tac cap or the pump. So I'm just going to see what it feels. It has a very strong smell, but strong yet sweet. Sweet kind of smell, but very, very strong. I've used all the products that was inside this bag. I love the moisturizer and the compact. I like the lipstick and the sharpener. Hand rub, I just don't like the smell and the cap of it. It's still stinking. Other than that, the other products are completely good. When I have something on my eyes, I don't want them to be completely bare, so I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. It's Lakme 9 to 5. I'm gonna use the light brown shade. And I need to tell you that this is a gift too. I'm gonna take Lakme and just go right onto the upper eyelid of the eye in a circular motion with the brush and bring it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner of my eye. And then right underneath my lower lash line, I'm gonna add some more eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use another eyeshadow palette, Maybelline, and I need to tell you that this is also a gift. I'm gonna take this very dark gray kind of shade. I don't know if it's gray or black, but I'm gonna take this shade and apply on the outer corners to intensify the look. This is not what it seems like. I'm going to blend everything and it is going to be awesome. Next, I'm going to use this shade. I'm just going to pat it to add more shine. Coming back to Lakme 9 to 5, I'm going to use this shade in the inner corners to highlight the eyes. For the brows, I'm going to use this Maybelline eye pencil. It's of dark brown shade. I'm just going to follow the natural growth of my hair. And I like to lift it up in the front like this because it looks a little bit more natural. I'm done with my brows. Now I'm going to apply a liner. For the liner, I'm going to use LE18 eyeliner. I always start in the middle and then go out and then stop around there and then go in. And I'm just going to create a wing. eyeliner is not drying off, so I'm just going to do something. I'm going to curl my eyelashes until then. My eyeliner is still not completely dry, so I think I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to put lashes. I'm almost done. I've put my eyelashes, and for the contour I'm going back to Lakme 9to5 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply this lighter shade right here as a contour. And this is the beauty hack that I was talking about. So you know, I like to experiment anything with everything and everything with anything. So it is not just that for the contour I'm going to contour my face, or for the blush I'm going to blush. I use lipstick for blushing. I'm going to take it. If you apply this method, make sure you blend your contour very well, because it is an eyeshadow, so you need to blend it very well. For the highlight, I'm going to use the same eyeshadow, Lakme 9to5. I'm going to use this shade right here just to add some highlight right over here and here and right here. The final step is a setting spray. I'm going to use this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm going to post more videos in the coming days. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time.